We can do a little comparison with the sizes of the headphones. These are the TaoTronics. This is my JBL 600 BTs. Quick comparison size wise with the Sony 1000 XM3s here. So these are 216 grams, Sony's are 253, JBL's are 177. Alright, so we've got the headphones connected to the phone by Bluetooth here. You can actually keep the Bluetooth connected and also plug in headphone into the headphone jack here, and you can alternate the music between the Bluetooth and the normal aux cable. So we've got it connected, play some music, hopefully you can hear this. Okay, and if we plug the aux cable in and play and pause this one, then the music from the aux cable comes through. So the headphones is clever enough that if I start playing the Bluetooth music again, it will switch back to Bluetooth. So the music is coming from the Bluetooth. So these headphones are mainly made of plastic, pretty hard plastic all around, and have a nice soft cushions. They're pretty big, but they are in between on ears and over ears. Most likely your ears won't fit in this gap here, unlike the Sony's here. The earpads, these are definitely big enough to encapsulate your ears. So the ear cups are pretty soft. Yeah, it's quite squishy. They're made of this like faux leather material, kind of plasticky really, and it's also got a nice padding on the top. So comfort wise, these are really good. I have no issues with this. It's not that tight on your head. So these metal hinges on these headphones make the construction pretty solid, and you know that these will last. Also notice that the ear cups cannot swivel. They're just stuck in this position. The only thing you can do is fold it in. Now this side, which is the right ear cups, has all the controls that play, pause, skip, forward and volumes, and the power button. The left side has no buttons at all. The charging port is here, micro USB, aux input is here.
One, because of this mechanism, you don't need to leave a gap in the device, or at least not as big of a gap as is present on the Galaxy Fold. And the second thing is that I don't think you need to have a crease in the middle of the display. So one of the most noticeable characteristics of the Galaxy Fold is that crease right down the middle of the device when it's open. But on this device, because of that curling mechanism, the crease doesn't seem to be as prominent.
At this price point, I think they're much better than the competition, mainly because of the 40mm drivers in them, giving them a really good punchy bass, and also the just sturdy construction of them, and just the general sound quality. Compared to the competition, I think these headphones are probably the better value out of them all. The only thing that these don't have is they don't come with any case or anything. But apart from that, these are really well worth it for your cheap Bluetooth headsets. You can use the aux cable and it's basically like a normal headset. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick look and review of these headphones. See you later.